Good day everybody, we meet again with me EK. For today's episode, it's quite unusual for us. It just came up to my mind that I want to compare the City RS hatchback with the legendary Civic EK9. But why? Hello and good day everybody, I'm EK from the Honda guys. I still have the Samsung Watch 4 to be given away to our lucky subscribers. But the catch is we need to hit 1000 subscribers before we can give this away. So what you guys need to do is to subscribe to our channel and comment #THG giveaway. This might be yours. I've done the Civic EK9 review in January this year. The power output is more than enough for the small hatchback. The EK9 was born in an era where the Japanese car industry was the most interesting one. But let's not go much further, as today I would like to compare these two Honda cars with me today, as I feel the City Hatchback is the spiritual successor for the Civic EK hatchback model. The Honda Civic EK9 is the first Civic that received the Type R emblem, which is the top of the range for the Civic at the time. Same goes for the City RS hatchback. This is the first generation of Honda City that received the RS emblem or road sailing emblem. In Honda's world, the hierarchy of the naming badge start with Type R, then SI or Sport Injected, which is only available in US market unfortunately, and then the RS badge before the rest of the other variant. The Civic EK9 was produced in 1999 as the true JDM car. It was only sold in Japan and no other place. The 4-cylinder VTEC engine produced 180 horsepower with 160 Nm of torque. This hot hatch is equipped with the 15-inch wheel with 195/55R15 tires with ventilated disc up front and solid disc at the back. The City RS hatchback, meanwhile, born in 2022, that is meant for developing market in Asia and South America. The hatchback design for the Honda City is reborn after 26 years. The design was last used in second generation Honda City in 1994. The engine in the City RS hatchback is quite unique, as it used two powertrain to drive the car. The 1.5-litre Dodge VTEC engine that produced 98 horsepower with 127 Nm of torque, and the electric motor produced 109 horsepower with a whopping 253 Nm of torque. The City hatchback used 16-inch wheel with 185/55R16 tires with ventilated disc up front and solid disc at the back, similar setup as the Civic EK9. If you guys take a look at the power output figure, it is clear that the EK9 is the winner here. But let's not forget that the City RS hatchback comes with an electric motor and produce 253 Nm of torque. Now, how about we test the performance of these two cars? How about a drag race, a 0 to 100 maybe, just for fun? Hello and good day everybody, I'm EK from the Honda guys. I still have the Samsung Watch 4 to be given away to our lucky subscribers. But the catch is we need to hit 1000 subscribers before we can give this away. So what you guys need to do is to subscribe to our channel and comment #THG giveaway. This might be yours.
Now, we are going to test the acceleration for both cars. Do keep in mind that the Type R is equipped with the closed ratio 5-speed manual gearbox, while the City RS comes with the eCVT gearbox. EK9 is ready with 5000 RPM, while the City RS is ready in silent. Yes, literally in silent, as the City RS is actually an electric car by default. The EK9 is left behind. The City RS just go like a bread and butter, smoothly in front of the EK9. Nothing surprised, as the City RS hatchback is a modern car and it uses eCVT, while the EK9 are actually a manual car. I reached 100 km/h in 7 seconds. The RS is away in front whenever I shift into the higher gear. That is expectable, as the auto shifting is much more efficient compared to the manual shifting. Human factor, yada yada yada. Now, I'll drive the City RS hatchback to test the performance against the EK9. Let's see how it goes. As the City RS hatchback is an electric car by default, the 253 Nm of torque is available right away when you press the accelerator. I'm now past 80 km per hour and now in 100 km per hour. The City RS hatchback is still in front of the legendary EK9. Well, like what I said just now, the City RS hatchback is using CVT gearbox, while the EK9 are manually driven. The engine roar is loud, as you can hear it, because the engine is pumping a lot of juice to recharge the built-in battery that powering the car right now. If given an opportunity to take both cars on the highway or a longer route, I'm sure the EK9 will go further than the City RS because of the gear ratio plus the engine performance. We also do not condone the drag race to be done in an open road, as it will endanger the other road user. Please do so in a proper track or in a closed road, and please do not do what we have done here. There you go, a comparison for two cars from two different segments, which in my opinion, the City RS hatchback is the spiritual successor for the Civic EK9. This comparison is not really to compare these two cars. As I mentioned earlier, both cars has their own pros and cons. In real world, the EK9 cater the performance segment, while the City RS is meant for the urban driving with a sportier trim. If you guys want us to compare something like this in our next video, do let us know in the comment section below. Another thing to remind you all, please share and like this video, as well as subscribing to our channel, as there is a chance for you guys to win the Samsung Watch 4 when we reach 1000 subscribers. I'm EK with a goodbye for this week video. See you guys next time. Remember this, we are the Honda guys. We are all about Honda. See you guys next time. Bye.
Cut.